So guys, now it's time for us to sew our pocket area. All right, so I'm now finally going to cut out the pocket part. Do you get? So now it's time for us to to sew the trouser. So the first thing you need to do is to work on your pockets first. All right, so but before you work on your pocket, you have to join the crotch area. All right, so now for the pocket, you get a material, a strip material, maybe the same, depends on your preference, the same material or a different material that you want to use. The first thing you have to do is to join the crotch area by 1/2 inch. All right, then you draw your darts. Right, so when you draw your darts, the next thing you're going to do is the pocket. So in line, after cutting for the front part, you first of all you join your crotch area, then you draw your darts. After your dart, then it's time for you to now pocket. So to fix your pocket, you have to cut a material. All right, so for the purpose of this tutorial, my material is 7 inches wide and 13 inches long. It's 7 inches wide and 13 inches long. All right, now you pin it to your pocket area and sew exactly from the shape of the pocket that you marked. Can you see what I'm doing? So you sew from that part, that the shape of that pocket that you. So when you've sewn it, this is how it's going to look initially. Can you see how it's looking? The front part to the front part of the strip material. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut out the excess on the upper part. I've cut out the excess, can you see? And then I'm going to fold it inwardly. Do you understand? Fold it in, and then you are going to top stitch on it or match it down, whatever you understand. You top stitch on it just to give it a firmness. All right, you top stitch on it. Do you get? So when you top stitch on it, the next thing you're going to do is to fold up the material and then join it to the fabric by the side, by the two sides, and your pocket is ready. So this is the simplest way of making a pocket for your trouser. This is the easiest way you can make a pocket for your trouser. So if you want the pocket to be deeper, that means the length of your fabric will be longer. Do you understand now? So now I'm done. Can you see how our pocket is looking? I have ironed it. Can you see the reason for matching it down or top stitching? It will just give it a firmness. Can you see? So our pocket is ready. Now the next thing you're going to do is to just, we added an extra fabric. So we're now going to remeasure the waistline, okay? The correct waistline, and then we'll cut out the excess on the waistline. So this is how to work on the front part of your pocket. All right, so the next video I'm going to show you how to work on the back part of the pocket of the trouser pattern. Please, if you have any question, let me know. All right, so I will explain further. Hope you understand up to this part. Okay, so reshaping the front part because the material I added was in excess, so I have to reshape it to the normal measurement of the client. Okay, soulmate, so our pocket is ready. Now the next thing we're going to do, we'll start joining our trouser. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to join the crotch area of the front. Now for the back, remember to draw your darts for the back part. Now for the back part, remember for the back of your trouser, right, you first of all join the crotch line just as you did for the front. When you join line, then you join your darts, you draw your darts. When you've drawn your darts, the next thing you're going to do is to join the both crotch lines together of the front and the back. Now before you join it, please make sure you pin the crotches together. As you can see on the video, make sure the crotch areas are lined, then you pin them, right? Then you join from one side to the other side. Please have to use your pin while joining this crotch area because it's very, very important. All right, so you pin the crotch area of the front and the back together, and then you join from one part of the trouser to the other part of the trouser. Please, hope you understand up to this part. Just join the crotch area from one part down right round to the part. Now when you're done joining the crotch area, the next thing you do is to join the sides of your trouser. Okay, can you see I've closed the crotch area? Now the next thing to do is to join the sides. To join the sides, you now impute your measurements, your waist measurements, your hip measurements, your lap measurements. All right, so when you join the sides, guys, can you see that our trouser is coming up? Very good. Can you see how lovely it's looking? Now the next thing you're going to do is to fix your band. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm fixing the zip. I'm going to be putting the zip by the side. That's why I left the waist area open. Can you see? So you fix your band. Remember, we created 2 inches for our band. You remember that 2 inches I removed at the top. So you are going to cut a band that is 5 inches wide, so that when you fold it, it's going to half. You use 1/2 inch to join it to your trouser. Hope you understand this. So this this band material is, my waist measurement on this tutorial is 33. It's 33 inches long and 5 inches wide, so that when I fold it, it's going to be 2.5. So the first thing you're going to do is to first of all join your band to your, like so, and then when you're done joining, you turn it up, fold it in, and join it. Can you see? So that it's going to give a neat seam. So guys, when you're done, I fixed the zip, and this is how the palazzo trouser is looking. Now, if you cannot run, if you cannot walk, if you cannot sit with your palazzo trouser, then you've not done a good job. So but I promise you that once you follow these procedures, especially your crotch area, once you make your crotch area, you take the procedure that I taught you now on how to get the crotch area, then your palazzo is going to be the best. It's going to fit you properly. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for this class, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to explain to you. All right, see you. Bye.